Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine and getting into the firmware. Make sure you have admin rights and back up any unsaved work. This avoids surprises. Once ready, shut down fully, attach the power adapter, then power on and press F2 for BIOS or F12 for the one-time boot menu as the Dell logo appears. Stay patient, timing matters. If you miss it, restart and try again. The goal here is to reach the UEFI/BIOS screen, so you can change boot options safely. Now you navigate the firmware to find HTTPS boot and related controls. In UEFI, go to System Configuration or Boot Sequence, then locate HTTPS boot, Secure Boot, and Network boot entries. Use the arrow keys to highlight each item. Press Enter to change values. Disable HTTPS boot first, then disable Network boot if you don't use PXE, and verify Secure Boot if needed for your OS. Make changes deliberately so you don't break an expected boot path. Note the previous values in case you need to revert. Finish by saving and testing. Choose Save and Exit or press the shown key to apply changes. The system will reboot. Watch the boot process and confirm your operating system loads as expected. If it does, you've stopped HTTPS boot successfully. If it fails, go back into BIOS and either restore the original values or use the Restore Defaults option, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if network booting or secure boot dependent systems break, re-enable the specific setting you changed, save, and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.